What's up everybody, it's Parker with BI Elite. I'm here to let you know that we've just released the Alteryx Beginner Course over on the BI Elite training website. This course is brought to you by Nathan Patrick Taylor, an expert on all things Alteryx. Many of you may know Nathan from his Power BI and Alteryx tricks over on his own YouTube channel, and we decided to join forces to bring you the ultimate Alteryx Beginner Course. This course is going to teach you everything that you need to know in order to help you pass the Alteryx core exam. Make sure you check out the course page over at training.bielite.com/courses/Alteryx Beginner, where you can check out all of the course content to see what is included in this training course. Without further ado, I'm going to let Nathan tell you about Alteryx and why you should be learning this tool.
Hi there, I'm Nathan Patrick Taylor, the instructor for the Alteryx Beginner Course. Some of you are coming to this course not knowing anything about Alteryx, while others come with license in hand and they're ready to start learning. So what is Alteryx? At its core, Alteryx is a data prep and blend tool, but that's actually selling it a little short. Alteryx is a feature-rich analytics platform. Let me give you some examples of what you can do with Alteryx. In a recent project that I worked on, I pulled data in from multiple data sources. This is a common use case for Alteryx. I had data coming from Google Sheets, a couple of PDFs, and then I had to connect to a SQL Server database. You can also cleanse data and transform it. So if your data is dirty, you can clean it up in Alteryx. You can also do things like pivot tables and crosstabs. Alteryx also lets you replicate some of the functions and features within Excel. So for example, you can do a VLOOKUP or an if-then-else statement. All of this can be done with no coding experience whatsoever. You simply drag and drop the tool from a palette onto the canvas and off you go. If you do have coding experience, say you know SQL, for example, you can use that well within Alteryx and use some of the advanced features of the tool, so that won't be lost. This class is also a perfect complement to Parker Stevens' Power BI courses. Alteryx lets you export the output of your data flows into the Power BI service, and then you can build reports and dashboards from there. Lastly, I've designed this course so that you can pass the Alteryx core certification once you've completed the class. If you don't have a license, make sure you sign up for the 14-day trial on Alteryx.com. If you have a license or you've already got the trial, then let's get started with the installation of Alteryx Designer.